Hi, I'm Peter from Gardenworks. I want to tell you about my Vegepod. It comes in 3 sizes, a small, medium and large. I chose the medium. It comes with a standard cover. I don't have it on today. And you can choose either a wheeled option or just a stand. I chose the wheeled option because I like to be able to move it into different places to get into the sun or to get out of the way to clean. I've been growing veggies and herbs for pretty much 2 years non-stop, and today I've got some herbs. I've got some marjoram, some rosemary. I've also planted some beautiful lettuce which is almost ready to start harvesting. I've planted some spinach which I love in salads, and I've got a couple of thymes which are starting to just take off with the nice warm weather we're having. If you like to have fresh vegetables and herbs close to the kitchen, a Vegepod is really a great option. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great ideas on gardening.